Today, we're diving into a game changer, the Colossyan AI. Brace yourselves for a powerful tool that's about to transform the way you video create. In this video, we're exploring the world of Colossyan AI and how it can take your video content to the next level. Stick around as we unveil the incredible benefits and give you a step-by-step guide on creating your very own AI avatar. Ready to revolutionize your content creation? Let's get started. But before we dive in, don't forget to click the link in the description to try Colossyan AI for free. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Why should you be excited about creating videos with an AI avatar? Let's break it down. An AI avatar brings a dynamic and engaging element to your videos, captivating your audience from start to finish. Colossyan AI streamlines the video creation process, allowing you to produce high-quality video in a fraction of the time. Tailor your avatar to match your brand and style, giving your videos a unique and professional touch. Now, let's walk through the simple process of bringing your avatar to life. Choose your template. Start by selecting a template that suits your content. Colossyan AI offers a variety of options to match different themes and vibes. Craft your text. Write your script or dialogue. Customize your message to resonate with your audience and convey your unique personality. Select your voice. Choose the perfect voice to narrate your content. With a range of voices available, you can find the one that best fits the tone of your video. Pick your avatar. Finally, select the avatar that resonates with your style. Whether professional, fun, or quirky, there's an avatar for every occasion. There you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of Colossyan AI. Ready to bring your content to life? Click the link in the description to subscribe and unlock the full potential of this game-changing tool. Don't miss out on the future of content creation. See you in the next video.